So folks, for the people that don't really understand what an atomizer is, which is located inside of the carburetor, oops, actually need you actually need a little bit of length in the intake just to allow the fuel and the air to atomize before it enters the combustion chamber. So moving forward, I've been working on this project. This is the second part, but this gauge, which I thought was working, is actually not working. Just shortly before, I didn't want to put it all through the video, it would just take too long, obviously. So what I done was I moved the cable here from the signal. You got the signal side and you got the other the output side. So I moved it on both sides. The meter didn't even move on both tries, so I know that the meter is no good, and that's obviously why I had it sitting in my box. I just totally forgot about it, but the circuit is still live. And yeah, so black Bandit box, adjustable CDI ignition, 12-volt battery. As for the tachometer, I'm gonna have to get a new one. Just order another one up from Amazon. This is one of these gauges here, and it didn't even work from the beginning. From the time I've received it, it never worked. So I can't really give a thumbs up on this particular gauge. But as for the circuit, I do everything through solder. I've just got it set up, obviously, because we need to check the amperage, what it's pulling. So now what I'll do is I'm going to start the bike. The gauge is not going to work, but I will start the bike, I guess, and just show you that it all runs good. This is amazing. Every time I go to do this, my phone rings. There we go. Anyway, so now what I will do is just position this the best that I could. Yeah, that should be. Let's see. Okay. On the Black Bandit box. Lots of power. Lots of power. Basically, on this circuit, at the most, with all that throttle, full throttle, I don't know what that RPM range is right now, but at that full throttle there, it's pulling half an amp. So 2 amps easily you should get 3 hours, which is somewhere equivalent to 8 AA batteries. So just to give you an idea of the efficiency of the circuit, that's just it, how it is. But stay tuned. I will get another tack, because this one is obviously no good. But there it is, folks. Black Bandit box. If you need one of these boxes, go to www info@firstfloor.online, and just give me a message me in my email. Adjustable CDI and metered. There's your exterior coil. Ran right up to a Chinese keg motor, 49cc on a pocket bike. No back tire, just L brackets, because obviously this is for demo purposes, but I've extended the intake obviously for the atomization of the carburetor. Some guys like to run their carburetor extremely close to their intake. Me, I am on the longer intake theory. I like this more. Even the Black Bandit bike, the intake is extremely long on it as well. It's probably, I think, around 9 inches, and the bike runs really well. It's got a lot of torque and lots of top end, but you know, everybody's build is different. But on this bike here, you know, 4 inches intake there, and this is a dellorto clone. And what's interesting enough is this screw right here, it does nothing. It's really funny. That screw does absolutely nothing for this carburetor. Got it off of Amazon. I don't know what you guys see in yours, but mine obviously is no good. So yeah, but so there it is. Just strictly demo. You know, it's one handlebar obviously for the throttle. Small expansion chamber, pocket bike style, keg. There's your external coil. The wires running off of your bike, 2 wires, right over into the Black Bandit box, through the CD, the 12 volt DC CDI. There's your battery, 7 amp hour, and for the gauge, obviously, I just wanted you guys to see what the actual circuit is pulling if you ever decide to design a circuit like this. But as for starting, when you get the timing set up right here on this, once you get that set up, these things, they start instantly. It's like fuel injection. You can't beat it. The Black Bandit bike, one kick and it fires. You know, I don't even have to put a pull start on it. I just roll start it and it fires instantly. But everybody's setup will obviously be different depending on your jug, where you set it, and your timing duration. You'll obviously have to set it here, but this is where the benefits come in on this kind of a combination. So anyway, you know where I am now, and that's it, folks, for now. I'll get the updated video. I'll be ordering a tack from eBay again. This one's no good, so I'm gonna have to get another one. Analog tack, not the one that wraps around your spark plug cable, but the 3-wire analog tack, right? Just like that. I'll order one of those in, hook it up, then I'll set it all up, and I'll give you guys a little reading just to show you what we're actually getting for readings versus just stating what we think. So, firstfloor.online. Anytime you're looking for one of these boxes, you can message me on my email over there. That's it for now.